2020 Clipper. It's a Max Sport. This never even heard of this before. On this, I a month ago. It's actually made by Suzuki. It's a 2-horse, 2-stroke, and had a bolt missing that held the carburetor on, and too much vacuum leak, I guess, and wouldn't run. But I cleaned out the carb. There was some stuff in there. As soon as I cleaned it and put that bolt in, it run like this. So I just took it for about an hour run. I filled the tank right up, and I was curious if it had enough power to push me upriver. It's high water right now. It's June 26th, and it's high water, so the water's probably just about as fast as it's going to be in this river at this time. And I did go upriver somewhat slow, but it was very windy. If it wasn't so windy, I would have made a lot better time, because I could have sat in this seat and it would have been an easier job for the motor to push it up. But because I had to dedicate so much time and energy to steering, anyway, this motor has got to be like 1980. It could even be earlier. It could be mid-80s even. But I don't think it's had a lot of use. Like, I get the impression it has not. So reverse on this is spin that engine around. So anyway, I'll just do a quick short run here. Don't want to make this too long, but tell you what I really like about this little tiny motor is I just ran for a good hour, and yeah, I just ran this boat for a good hour, and the tank is still pretty much full of gas. This is probably not the recommended way to launch. I guess I'll tell you, it gets away on you the way it goes. But this is how I'm doing it. Pretty impressed with how this thing idles down. Just got to tighten the motor a tad so it can't spin so damned easy. I'm thinking of making a longer arm for it.